learners, you are welcome to today's lessons. I hope you enjoyed the previous lesson. Let's look at our correction for the previous exercise I gave you. Now we have to skip count backwards in twos and fill in the missing numbers. And I believe you remember the rule for counting forward in twos. We are just adding 2. Okay, so 80. This one is counting backwards, sorry, so we are subtracting 2. Forward is adding 2. Backwards, we are to what? Subtract 2, which is minus 2. So 80 minus 2, what will we get? We'll get what? 78. And as I told you before, always look at the numbers behind and subtract. So 8 minus 2, we have 6, so we have 76. 6 minus 2, we have what? 4. So the number will be what? 74. So 74. 4 minus 2, we have 2. We have 72 here. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So the answer will be what? 70. Now 70 minus 2, we get what? 68. 68, we have 8 at the end. So 8 minus 2 will give us what? 6. So we have what? 66. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. We have 64. Now 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. So we have what? 62. Okay, 120 minus 2 will give us 118. 118. 118 minus 2 will give us what? 116. We've already done this exercise, so let's just go through. 140 minus 2 will give us 112. Now 112 minus 2, when you take this 2 out, it will be left with 0. So we have 110. Now 110 minus 2, so we take 10 minus 2 to give us 8. So we have 108. 108 minus 2 give us 106. 106 minus 2 give us 104. Okay. 210 minus 2 give us what? 208. And then here will give us 206 minus 2, 204. Minus 2, 202, minus 2, we get 200. 200 minus 2 give us 198. 198 minus 2 will give us 196. 196 minus 2 will give us 194. So this is the correction for our previous exercise. You all did very well. Now to move on to our next exercise for today, we are still skip counting, but this time we are skip counting in 5s. Okay, we are skip counting forward in 5s. Now to skip count forward in 5s means we are to skip some numbers to 5. Okay, now let's look at these numbers. We have numbers 1 to 30. In skip counting in 5s, we are to skip 4 numbers and pick the 5th number. So we are going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th number is what? 5. To skip again, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is what? 10. So you skip, in skip counting in 5, you skip 4 numbers. So let's skip again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th number is what? 15. We skip again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is what? 20. We are skipping 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number 25. Then we skip again 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number is what? 30. So you skip counting forward in 5s. We are going to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, and it continues. Okay, now to get skip count numbers, skip count forward in 5, okay, skip counting numbers in 5s, you have to what? To add 5 to get the next number. So to skip count by 5, add 5 to get the next number. So let's see this example. You've been given 5. Now to get the next skip count number of 5, you have to add what? 5. So this 5 is here, plus 5 will give me what? 10. 10 plus 5 will give me what? 15. 15 plus 5 will give me what? 20. And this is going to help you to get the next skip count numbers of 5. just as we did for skip count number in 2s forward, you remember we add 2. So in 5s, you add what? 5. Now let's add in 5s to complete this example. We have to skip count forward in 5 to fill in the missing numbers. Now we don't know this one, so let's move on to do the next one, okay? Now 10 plus 5. Put the 10 in your head. This is 5. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the next number here is what? 15. Now, to get the next one, you add 5 to 15 and to give you 20. Now put 20 in your head. You have 5. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Very good. When you add 5 to 25, you get 30. 30 in my mind plus 5, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Very good. Now to get this one, it means you have to subtract 5 from 10 to get this one, because this one is back, okay? So 5 minus 10. So I have 10, okay, minus 5. I'm left with 5. That will help me to get the first number. But it is forward, okay? If I add 5 to 5, I'll get 10. So skip count in 5, we have what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and it continues. Let's look at this. 35 plus 5. I have 35 in my head. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good. Then plus 5 will give me 45. 45 plus 5. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So I have 50. 50 plus 5 give me 55. Then 55 plus 5. So I have 55 in my head. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. And 60 plus 5 will give me what? 65. I believe you've enjoyed this lesson. I'm going to give you an exercise on skip counting forward in 5. Do it nicely and send it to me on my WhatsApp line. Bye-bye.